Today we're gonna do a rocket launch.
See, yeah, we're gonna do our rocket
Welcome
launch.
back to another video of Rocky and Roman. Awesome.
So here we go, guys.
Okay.
So 10,
9,
8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Keep your eyes on it. I see it. Good. And the parachute did deploy. Keep your eyes on it. Let's watch it float gently back to Earth. Successful launch. Successful landing. Beautifully packed parachute. And here it goes. Wonderful, boys. Congratulations. Nice job. Nicely done. Now what does it look like?
And it's hot.
It's hot, right? It's hot. Yeah. So don't touch that bird. So. Okay. Yeah. Good. So now we're gonna pack it up again.
That's hot. That's hot.
And we're gonna. Yes. They have the A engine. That's the first primary engine. It's called the test engine. The next one up is called the B engine.
This thing is the launching pad. The launching pad is
A blast shield.
it's a blast shield that protects the ground so it does not get burned, or sometimes it will not fall out. It will only burn the grass.
Right. See? All right. Very good.
We're gonna start.
So Rocky and Roman had a wonderful launch. The first rocket used an A engine. This time we're going to use a B engine. And what do we have here, guys, on our launch pad?
We have a rocket, a launch pad, and a stick.
And what is this thing called right
The
there?
igniter
And what does that do?
flames up.
It flames up with an electrical current hooked to our controller back there. Excuse me. And then these little metal clips, and we clip on. Countdown, flight number 2. You can put the pin in there now, boys. And
Hold it tight.
Gonna count down from
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whoa!
It goes through a cloud. No, it didn't. Yeah, it did.
Where is it?
There it goes! It's going down. It's going down.
Where? Where?
I see it.
Oh, wow, look how high it is. Wow,
The other one.
look how super high it is.
I'm gonna look at the birds.
Wow. It's headed north. It's flying north. Keep your eyes on that rocket. It's really hanging up there. Here, Rocky. Keep your eyes on that rocket.
Where is it?
It's all the way up there, see? It's coming down. What a wonderful launch. Beautiful launch. Don't touch the engine. Only by the rocket. There you go, because the engine's on. Guys. Wow. Let's see. Here. Good, Rocky. Guys, that was awesome. What do you think?
Cool.
What should we tell folks
Wait.
about rocketry?
Ew.
Was it easy at first?
No.
It took a little bit of learning, right? But was it a lot of fun once you learned how to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah?
Yep.
Thumbs up? They're very interested in seeing what happens on the inside. We had wadding. Now, what does that wadding do? We had crumpled up pieces of paper inside the rocket. What does that help do?
So the parachute might burn when it goes in the sky. So the mufflers help it from not burning the parachute.
So it doesn't burn the parachute. All right.
I'm getting
Success. Time for some drinks. Fruit punch.